Meet the electronic enforcer roll-up door lock with iLOQ technology, also known as the slam lock. Designed for delivery trucks that make frequent stops, it locks automatically the moment the door is closed. No keys, no batteries, no wasted time. Just secure, efficient cargo protection. Mounted inside the roll-up door and truck floor, the lock is permanent and tamper-resistant. Fastened with through bolts, it can't be removed from the outside, and it won't interfere with cargo handling. The lock's jaws clasp into the boot, creating a secure hold every time the door shuts. With iLOQ technology, the lock provides an audit trail of every open, plus remote authorization so access can be granted instantly from a central location. Drivers can open via phone or fob, and because the lock itself requires no battery or internet connection, it remains maintenance-free in the field. Choose an aluminum or steel boot to match your trailer floor. Each unit comes with a complete installation kit, ready to go to work from day one. Need inside access? Add the quick release feature, allowing drivers to open the lock from inside the truck, boosting safety without compromising security. Built for daily use in demanding conditions, the electronic enforcer roll-up door lock offers a valuable audit trail, time efficiency, enhanced security, and broad compatibility with roll-up door configurations. A proven design, updated for the modern day, the electronic slam lock delivers lasting protection with every stop.